What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have some crypto breaking news, and this is going to come in the form of Blackrock and the exchange traded products that we've been talking about within cryptocurrency for quite some time. So if you're new to the channel, you're new to crypto, awesome. Welcome in. Appreciate you guys all stopping by. Make sure you subscribe down below, smash that like button, follow me on X, all that good stuff. Welcome to the fold and what we call hopefully one of the better communities here talking crypto every single day, okay? Like I said, subscribe down below and also be sure to follow on X, all right? But this is the big storyline, and we're going to just talk about this one briefly. It's not a big headline. It's not going to, affect you in any form or fashion today, but it's a pretty bold statement, okay? BlackRock has closed the door on altcoins, only Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to get into that right now in this video. First, though, I want to share with you guys today's channel sponsor, CoinW. All right, it's a top 15 exchange, partners with Crypto Banner, as well as other people out there in crypto, some very prominent voices. Make sure you use my link down below because what we're offering here, our friends at CoinW are doing a $50 Pepe coin airdrop. All right, all you got to do is deposit $50. You get Pepe, for doing that. And the biggest draw right now with CoinW, they have a private trading group. They're on Telegram with professional traders giving daily alpha and insight. And that's something where it's completely free. All you have to do is click my link. And from there, there's instructions. You follow those instructions to a T, verify on Telegram, and then you will receive access to that private Telegram group. That's something that they do. It's nothing that I'm affiliated with, but come trade with us on CoinW, top 15 exchange, understand their terms and conditions and their KYC policy. And then from there, guys, make the best decision for you. If you want to start trading with CoinW, links down below, okay? But the market right now, as we look at it, it's turned green. We're seeing a lot of cryptos on the move. It's going to be very fascinating to see if Bitcoin can cross over 102,000. Ethereum, that 4K mark, it's seemingly flirting with. A lot of psychological barriers as we look into kind of the markets overall and where crypto's headed to. The volume that we're seeing on the day, it's kind of interesting as we look into it. Seeing the trading volume for Bitcoin, $82.81 billion in the last 24 hours. Simply fascinating, okay? This is a train that is on the tracks and has really solidified themselves as one of the greatest assets in the world. Not financial advice, just kind of applauding the magnitude of what we've seen Bitcoin scale to in the last few months, okay? But back into it, what we came here to talk about is this big headline, right? Only BTC and ETH, all right? And what that means is right now is we've seen the approvals for Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs within the United States, but there are applications for a lot of others. Solana, we talk XRP a lot, but now Eric Valanciunas from Bloomberg, okay, sharing that BlackRock's ETF president, Jay Jacobs, had a statement that BlackRock will focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum ETFs rather than launching other altcoin ETFs, okay? And that's something where you look into the ETFs only reaching a currently small amount of customers. Right now, focusing on that instead of altcoins. That's something where they're looking at, we are only at the tip of the iceberg when it comes to BTC and especially Ethereum. So we talk about all that transactional volume, just the volume of sheer dollar amounts in terms of these transactions. It's very impressive what they're going to be able to bring in new users, new adoption for BTC and ETH, okay? Only a very small portion of our clients, he goes on to talk about, owns IBIT and ETHA. So instead of launching new altcoin ETFs, we will focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, a lot of people appreciate BlackRock's approach of not launching more crypto ETFs. Taking a step-by-step approach is better when it comes to ETFs. Rather than launching too early will only increase volatility, okay? Solana and XRP are the only other ETFs that were expected to be approved by the United States by the end of 2025. Not financial advice, but I'm just relaying the news that I've gained. But also along those lines, I'll tell you guys kind of my synopsis and thesis when it comes to what ETFs mean for crypto, okay? I've been trading crypto for a lot of years. I've never bought an exchange-traded product for digital currency, and I am more of a glass half full person when it comes to this, okay? I'm all in favor of giving access to people to get into crypto. I just want to know that it's doing more good than bad, okay? Because right now I got it down to a science. I'm sure you guys do as well. We don't need ETFs. We've been trading crypto, but now when you have, you know, I should say financial advisors being able to provide crypto vehicles to their clients, they're going to get commissions, you know, and crypto entities get commissions as well. Okay, exchanges get commissions as well. That's right there in front of us. We know what fees we pay. It's all kind of black and white. But the point I'm trying to make is crypto is meant to be decentralized finance. Okay, it's meant to take the banks out. It's meant to break the wheel. It's meant to change and revolutionize finance, not make. I just don't want to make decentralized cryptocurrency trading become more of centralized crypto trading, okay? And that's what it comes down to, okay? So that's why I'm glass half full when it comes to ETFs. If you followed me here on this platform, you understand my thoughts and feelings on that matter because I talk about it whenever there's an ETF headline that comes in the news. So as long as it's none of the same and it just honestly will provide access to people that normally wouldn't have access, and then we do get some exposure for folks that want to get into cryptocurrency, they're just not either comfortable, they don't know how, or they don't know what they're doing, then sure, ETFs are great, bring them on. But I don't like the fact that we could see maybe more of the pie, the total market cap, all of the capital in crypto be shuffled around more so into the hands of the institutions that it's already presently in, and that kind of is the big problem with crypto and why it's so volatile is because of all the market manipulation that trickles down into creating FUD and FOMO and fear within the normal everyday retail traders that know what they're doing and just kind of, you know, believe in crypto and they want exposure, okay? So as long as it's none of the same and we stay safe and we stay vigilant and we're doing what's best for people out there in the world and the best for what, you know, the best for crypto as it looks to evolve and get more mainstream, right? There's always that stigma with crypto, right? It's a Ponzi scheme. It's a horrible thing to be involved with. It's just a scam. I've heard it all. And a lot of times it comes from elderly people that quite frankly are just used to dividends and, you know, we're going to buy XYZ stock and just reap the rewards and then bank on our 401ks and Social Security, and then we'll ride off into the sunset in our twilight. That's not really how our generation's going to be accustomed to the way that the world's going to work, okay? I think things are changing, times are changing, and we have to be able to stay nimble and adapt to the times. And that's kind of where, you know, these ETFs are great, but just don't let it ruin a good thing that we got going. And that's kind of where I'm at. I appreciate you guys watching, hearing me talk about this. If you haven't done so, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, before exiting this video, be sure to check out CoinW and the exchanges that I do have sponsors with. If you want to get involved and start trading, just make sure it's right for you and where you're located. Do your research, do your due diligence, and if it is, start trading today. All right? With that, I'll leave you. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy the weekend, and stay tuned for more updates. Make sure that notification bell's turned on. Subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.